Bitcoin hoodie guy coming back with another CASP video. We got KRC-20s right here. Open beta is live on mainnet 14 minutes ago by Casplex. Nacho right here. 48 minutes ago. I'm super excited. The minting starts in just 1 hour. Should be in about 9 minutes. I got my Casware wallet there. I'm going to check in with Casware and see what they've said. So we're going live. You can see that on X, Caspa soars to new heights, hits 19.5 cents, eyes 30 cents. We did get to 19.79 or something. I'm going to check Casware wallet out. So it's getting close to game time right here. Casplex open beta will blast off when the DEAA score hits that. So looks like right now I got 500 Caspa there connecting to the network. So it might be taking a minute here and you might have to re-log into your wallet. And so we could go over here. You got to go to these 4 little squares in the middle and go to mint deploy Nacho. Pretty sure that's the way it's going to be going down here. So let me know what you might be going after. Are you going after Nacho? You might not even be watching this because you might watch this later. You might be focused on trying to get that. Staying up on the X pages here. The ticker is Nacho. You can see what some people are saying here. I'm getting my laptop out now. Let's get some. I'm seeing 10 a.m. Eastern Time Standard Time. Some places. I'm ready. Let's get it. Receive. Accepted. Is this normal showing 0 CASP in my hardware wallet? I think that just probably a glitch. It's there. Let's see. Connecting to network. So there could be some, maybe things won't go down right at in 7 minutes. We'll see. Since Quest, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate that. So since I'm going after Nacho, that's the main focus now. See what they're posting. Yeah, it looks like that's the last thing they posted. So they're probably working on deploying it since everything, according to Casplex, the open beta is live now. So that means that Nacho's got to deploy it first, and then we'll be able to mint it. And so it might be going down a few minutes later. It could be going down. So glad you're on right now. Thanks, Steve. Thanks for tuning in. Nacho 10:30, Casper 11 is kept tomorrow. I'm not sure about Kep. I'm going after Nacho. I don't use hardware wallets. They add potential problems. The Casper security is good with Caspian wallet, 24-word phrase. I don't use hardware wallets. I got mine on Tangent, but this is Casware for this, which is just a Chrome extension. And I mean, I got 500 Caspa there. I'm not worried about it being there. I can see where the open beta is going now. There might be some kind of bugs or glitches, but I got my seed phrase and the Caspa there, so I'm not worried about that. Trying to stay on top of Nacho here and seeing if there's anything new coming out. 5 minutes. I guess I'll start off with a small amount to play around with. Maybe start off with 10 to see if it even goes through. I'm not getting any just Yoda and waiting for the smart contracts. Mint up. Ledger caused problems with me. Almost lost all my money. I'm scared about hardware wallets now. Yeah, I got the same thing. Connecting network issue. Yeah, I've used Ledger, not for Caspa, but for my other crypto. I've never had a problem with Ledger, and I got Tangent for my Caspa. Never had a problem. Sent it yesterday. Your network connection's off. You need to change your URL. So it looks like we have to change our URL. Whoops. Network, Caspa mainnet. Let's see. Looks like right here is the mainnet address is there. You can fix it via settings. So I guess we got to go to settings and connected sites. Let's see. Network. Change network URL. Reset. Let's see. Not right now I've been able to get it to change. Let's see what some other people are saying. The mainnet address is this. Let's see. You can fix it via the settings. Let's see. Click testnet, then mainnet. So hit the testnet. Now go back to mainnet. Let's see. So this is good for me to be struggling with this on live stream. We'll do the devnet and then switch back to the mainnet. Because on mainnet here, change network URL. I guess maybe I can type in the US. Okay, I need to type it in right here. I guess type it in right there. I think some people here, so I'm going to try to get that URL. It's hard to get that URL copied. So let's get this. Okay. We'll try to get this copied here. WSS. Let's see if that works. Change network URL. All right, so I changed that there. If anyone saw me struggle with that, you're probably ahead of the game. Thanks for everyone in the chat that give me that URL. You just got to go to settings, network, and then go. You can switch between Caspa testnet, Caspa mainnet, and then you can go through here, click on that right there, change the network. So WSS EU-1.caspa-ng.io/mainnet. So we're almost game time. I'm going to go over and try to mint it now. We'll try to do that. We'll just do like, I don't know, we'll try 10. I'll just do the priority fee. Token Nacho is not deployed yet. Try to deploy it first. So it looks like Nacho might not be deployed yet. Let's see. So right now, it looks like it might not be deployed yet. And so if anyone's having trouble with their network, we can go back. I'll just try Nacho again. Okay, it looks like it's ready to go. So in the process of trying to mint it, looks like they deployed it. We'll see right here, it's constructing it. Looks like it's in the process. Looks like it's in the process. KCats it works live, Nacho. Yep. Right now, I'm in the process of getting Nacho. We'll see how that goes. Looks like there's some other ones. KCats is deployed. And right now, in the process of minting less than 0.1% has been minted. 20% done here. My Caspa balance is 500. Looks like Goad might be live. What's the URL? Right here is the URL for, you have to paste that URL, and I'm not going to go on that page right now because this is in the process of constructing. Trying to mint the KCats. So I'm not sure how long this is taking right now. I'm going to let it stick through. Doing Nacho right now. It's in the process. Still about, it says 20%. Nothing's really been minted. I guess, I don't know if that's the overall supply or if the amount that I done, nothing's really been minted. I did cast tools too. Cast tools.io. Some people are trying to mint the KCats. Here's the address that you can post in. I was getting failed transaction, no errors so far this time. Right now, this is in the process. I don't have any errors. It's not really advancing. Failed count 0, successful count. So it's still in the process. Nothing's going. I can open another wallet. I don't know if that's going to mess everything up. Let's look at another one. I don't know if it's going to mess up if I try to do it again. I'll try KCat. Was that the one? Yeah, it was failing very quickly. So I guess that if it's KCats, I'll just try one on KCats just to see how that's working. See if we can get it to go through. %63 minted on KCats. It looks like I have one failed count. It looks like the Nacho failed. Nacho looks like it's failed. Maybe there. I'm gonna just close that out. It was failing very quickly. 20% for me now. It looks like I have a payment failed on that. So I'm gonna go back out and try Nacho again. I'm gonna try Nacho again. Try Nacho, and we'll just do 5. I'll just do one Caspa. We'll see. So I got one failed count. 20%. It's showing some of them have been minting. It looks like 0.3%. I was connected, but now the wallet is lagging and not connecting to network. Probably getting overloaded right now. Maybe payment failed on Nacho. Unexpected end JSON input. So let's see, reject. Right now, we'll try the KCats. Let's just try KCats. We'll just mess around, see if we can get something to go through. And this is still showing the 20%. Same here. So I think we're just running into some problems. Basically happens right at the launch here, but this is showing, the KCats was showing 63% minted, and right now it's showing unexpected JSON error. So I don't know if maybe if people are paying high fees, We'll just try one, and I don't know. I mean, are people trying to really pay a lot of Caspa? I don't know that happens. Rejected transaction, RPC server remote error. Already spent by transaction. Payment failed. Let's just go to back out to my main page in the wallet. Yeah, it's not showing any. I haven't spent any Caspa yet so far. 500 Caspa. Let's go to the mint deploy. See if we can get some Nacho. We are literally the live test. They're going to be errors. That's the point. Yep. This is all right now is just all. This has been out for, I mean, open beta, unexpected end JSON input. This is part of when something new comes out. What's it saying on the, so has anyone been able to mint at all? Tried to mint one and only, and it gave me the details. So we'll just try one. So it's remote RPC or I'm sure it's, I mean, this is expected. No, I mean, not that big a deal. I'm not, still my Caspa is all still there. Just, you know, when you got a new protocol coming out, there's going to be these bugs and things like that. So I don't think it's too big a deal. I guess maybe somewhere someone's been able to, I'll just do 0.1 Caspa. One Caspa will be paid to miners per mint according to the protocol, and 0.1 is a service fee. We'll see if we can. It says that I guess maybe that is 0.5% maybe has been minted. So a few of them are going through. It feels like one of those things you just gotta keep trying. What a shit show. I was able to mint KCats, now just errors. Stuck at 20% minting. That's it. I'm selling all my Caspa. Yep. Unable to connect to network. It was in wallet unavailable. CL, you have to go to this right here. You have to put this URL in right here. And so for anyone having that error where it's not showing you like the network thing, you have to put this URL in. I'm going to keep this mint going in case this Nacho goes through, but you have to go into your settings and switch your URL to this. I can't believe 500 Caspa is almost $100, bro. When I got it, it was like $10. Yep, man, it's been going up a lot. Just keep on trying. After being part of beta testing and other things, this is what you do. We're putting a load on the system. I'm sure Casplex is monitoring and taking notes. Payment failed. Request limit exceeded. Caspa rugs. Yep, but you just gotta keep trying, and we'll go back here. Try. I think a few nachos went through. When you have a new protocol, that is the way that it goes. We'll just do that, and we'll try. Just keep trying, going after Nacho. Maybe you'll get one to slip through. There's a few. The amount minted on Nacho is going up, so I think some people are getting them to go through, just not very many. Yeah. Yep. It's best to sell the top and then buy down the bottom. Yeah. Right here, unexpected end of JSON input. So I don't think there's any way to change the. So right here, you go into mint. And so I don't think you can change that. You can't change the code there for the batch mint, KRC-20, op mint, tick, Nacho. I don't think that there's any way to see. Now it's not showing any percentage. Okay, there it is. See, it's showing 0.068% minted. With how many people are trying it, Check out the spike in T transaction per second on Caspalytics. Let's go to Caspalytics. Oh yeah, right here. Transaction quantity 50,000. Where's the transactions per second? The transaction counts per second. There's 107 in the last. Let's see. The Caspalytics. You can see the transactions are going crazy right now. There was 10,000. Basically, there's 9 or 10,000 transactions a day. Now there's 50,000 transactions in the last 24 hours. Let's go back to Casware. Another failed thing. So that's kind of how the game goes. Pretty soon we're going to be coming up on the Casper, and let's see what some of these people are saying on the Casplex. See if they've said anything on X right here. The 35 minutes. Oh, they just basically say open beta is live. Let's see what Casware is saying. They might even have that code maybe. Let's see if they posted that code. The open, no, there's nothing lately. Just takes time. Let's go ahead and try to mint Nacho again. Maybe we'll get one of these to go through. 1,000, I think. Accepted count. Let's see. 99 cryptos, there is a fix. Yeah, it'll be a rocky day. But all good. My wallet won't connect to mainnet. You have to go and change the code for any people that they're having that problem. Is you got to go over right here. Right now, it's not too big an issue because we're having struggle minting, but you need to go over to the click the the wheel on the bottom right, and then go to network, and then you need to go to Caspa mainnet. Click on that wheel over there, and then you type in that code and then change network, or that URL and change network. So that's what you have to do. Some people have posted that here. That maybe some folks don't understand in open beta. We're volunteering to help testing with volume. It's okay, guys. Stay calm. This is, your the Caspa I have in the Casware wallet safe, so I'm not real worried about that. So I'm gonna go back and just give Nacho another try. I was gonna try to get that Caspalytics link going. I have a hard time getting I guess actually maybe I'll go like this. Just a second there. Let's see. I'm going to try to get that link that was shared. Oh, I guess sometimes okay. When someone posts a link in the chat, I can see it, but I don't think it posts the link. So I'm trying to get that Caspalytics spot on the accepted count. Let's see. Right here. Try to get this up on the transactions accepted count. Transactions count. Accepted count right here. I think that's the right app. Transactions. So here is the accepted count. And so just a sec. Several projects launching at the same time. Congestion along with little gremlins. Patience, people. Okay, should be minting that slow. I think it's just there's bugs. A lot of people coming. I'm going to try Nacho again here. Let's see. You need at least 3. Let's see. Go back here. Yeah, so far I've had nothing go through. Now I'm just gonna try that K-Cats. I guess that one, someone had one go through there. To see if we can get something to go through. This one's had 63% minted, so a few of those were going through, but we have multiple projects, and if Casper's getting ready to go in 13 minutes, there is, yeah, the Nacho's stuck on 120% there. I mean, 20%. Let's go back. I'm actually just gonna go into my wallet from Fresh here. So here we are. We're gonna go for just go back and try Nacho again. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to take a break. Everyone's excited. A lot of people trying to get these. And yep, RPC server rejected transaction. So basically, there's really trouble minting right now, but it's kind of almost expected when you have these new protocols coming out. A lot of people using it. If you just go back here, the transaction count is way up, 65,000. So it's going up a lot. And so there's 0.143% minted a Nacho. So that has increased. Unexpected in JSON input. It feels like you just got to keep trying it and hope it goes through. There's a lot of, with the new protocol, I don't even know if it's better to pay a priority transaction fee or not. But let's see what some people are saying. Joseph, thanks for tuning in. Disappointing to say the least. Fail, fail, fail. Yeah, when we'll be able to see charts and prices, that's going to be a while. Right now, before you worry about the charts and prices, you probably want to worry about just having mints go through. But there'll be dexes. I think Cast Tools is let's see. Let's go to Caspador. I think I was talking about Cast Tools is another spot. Caspador, I think. Cast Tools right here. That website might be getting hammered, but it's it'd be a lot more fun. But pretty much to start, I think all you're going to do is you're just going to see in your wallet, you'll see your KRC-20s, and then there'll be some dexes and things like that going online. Cast Tools looks like it's probably getting hammered. So you just got to keep trying. Let's see. Here we go. Nacho. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna keep trying Nacho. It's the amount of Nacho minted is going up slightly. Cast FYI shows real-time transaction on homepage. I went there. Let's see. Okay, there's Cast Tools. This is total fees paid to miners, 165,000 CASPA, total transactions. So this is Cast Tools, Nacho. So here is showing the Nacho 0.15% minted, Elon, Cash. These are some other ones to go after. 10% minted on Zilla. I'm not sure if D-Work. So these are different ones. So Cast Tools, there's a total of 34 KRC-20 tokens. Let's go to cast.fyi here and see. Showing 2 transactions per second, but This nacho hasn't failed yet. Once, oops, no, oh, that failed. Nowhere yet. Yep, it says request limit exceeded. Casplex site is being DDoSed, in my opinion. We broke Caspa. Caspa is worse than Pulse Chain. I don't know about that. The payment error details, you need to enable JavaScript to run the app. So you can go to right here is the CAS tools is showing you, I guess someone's going with a racist one. So you can see that Nacho, there's a little bit of minting slightly uptick right there. Apparently you can mint from here as well on the CAS tools. You can also search your token address to see once things are going, but there'll be some dexes popping online. But let's go back here. Let's just see what some people are saying in the chat. Caspa is fine. Casplex wasn't ready. Caspa back down to 18 cents. I guess some people. I'm minting Nacho, guys. Go back to mainnet and type out the URL, then connect and refresh. That's what someone said. They're minting that. So mainnet. Pretty sure this is the URL that you need. Let's reset it. And then I'm going to go here. Change network URL and go to back here. Let's see. You have to go for Casware not connecting. You need to go here to network and then the mainnet, Caspa mainnet. Click on this right here and then type this URL in right here. For all the new folks joining, keep in mind we're cooperating with load test. Capslock is ready. It's live load test, so they can make changes needed. So yeah, here's the URL that you need to type in there to on the Caspa mainnet. And then, so I'm on Caspa mainnet. Still struggling there. Let's see. But apparently some people are getting the Nacho to go through. I don't know if I have to. Yeah, you can see that it's up to almost 0.2% there. Finally, my balance shows 99 cryptos. I'm not sure if I need to authorize JavaScript, but you can see that some of these mints are going through. There's 280, I guess, 287 billion max supply there on Nacho. About 0.2% been minted. Elon has been 1.32% has been minted. Unexpected JSON input error. I'll just mess around, try Elon. RPC server remote rejected transaction. So I've had that and the JSON error. Both of those errors have popped up. I'm minting Nacho now. It's on 20%. A lot of those have shown that it's that it has been stuck at 20%. Then I'll get an error. But a few people are getting those Nachos to go through. 20%, you can see that 0.2% have been minted. Let's see, anyone that's got Nacho to go through. Cryptos, how do you just keep trying? Mine is 20% for 20 minutes. My min has been on 20% with 0 successful for like 15 minutes. Most of mine are getting errors. Only getting failed count. So I'm going to leave this here until it fails. But I've gotten the RPC failure or the JSON failure. But some people are getting these to go through. Not very many. Possibly there could be some else. What is the point of minting all these tokens if you can't exchange them yet? Well, eventually there'll be a DEX online, but that just takes time for that to get built out. Guys, are we supposed to be breaking it? I guess maybe just take a break. We're all getting the same here. Yeah, there's just right now there's just these messages, and I guess you know, you're gonna probably have Casper coming online here in a little bit. Let's see. See what if Casper is saying anything on X. I'm not seeing anything there on X, Casplex. They're probably busy trying to work on some stuff in the background there. I mean, kind of expected something like this is going to happen. So I still have mine going through 90% right here. It looks like this might go through. Oh no, now it went back to 20%. It was the 90% there. So I was off that 20%. It did get the 90. Caspa on discount for 18 cents. Yep, it's kind of buy the rumor and sell the news once it comes out. Mine just connecting network. So I did show 90% there for a minute instead of 20%. So I almost got it. Have you gotten any Bitcoin hoodie guy? Nope, nothing yet. Just errors. Keep Twitter. We're currently experiencing issues with Casplex. So right now I've had it show the 90% a couple times. There's starting to be a little bit more nacho being minted. Just try small amounts. If you're not confident, just keep trying. We're supposed to break it. See right there, it's showing 90% for me now. It's going 90%, then 20%. You got 2. Successful count. You got 3. You got 3, 4. Oh, I guess maybe some of them are going through. Dump it. I used the smallest priority fee, got a different screen than not selecting the priority fee. Successful count 0, failed count 19, trying for 1K. Stuck at 20%. So I've had, looks like I might be having some go through maybe. Successful count 6, or unless that's someone else. Almost done. It's showing 90% now for me. Showing 90%. Hey, apologies. Questions asked. What's it mean if the request limit exceeds? I don't know exactly there, to be honest with you. If anyone has that, maybe they can chime in. So right here, you have, let's see, where's my Casware wallet? So it's showing 90% sometimes. So I guess maybe I'm having some go through. Yep, minted. So Nacho successfully minted. Somehow I got that through, and I don't know why I did that. So now let's go look at my Casware wallet. Yep, I've spent 30 Caspa. I have Nacho. I have 86,100 Nacho. I don't know what I did different from any of those other ones I did, but I'm going to go ahead and try it again now. So I'm going to do 10. I think maybe that's what I did last time. Transaction fee, just do the 0.1. Next. And I am not sure what I did different there. Is anyone else? So I actually got some Nacho to go through. And that bar percentage for each individual mint goes up when minted. Yep, it goes to 90%, and then it'll show successful. So I had some mint. I had some go through. If you need the code or this is what you need to do to change the mainnet URL in the settings in your Casware wallet. If you hadn't, any site that asks for passphrase is a scam. Yep, thanks for chiming in there, Joseph. And you should just be able to be minting from your wallet. I'm right now on my Casware wallet. I did get some nacho to go through, but that so it's possible. It just seems like you got to have some patience right now. There's a bunch of people right now. I mean, 203 people viewing right now. I've never had that many people watch a live stream. So thanks for tuning in. And I think you got to be patient. And I don't understand why people are pissing and moaning that you can't sell it right away. For me, I'm going in with a small enough amount of money is I'm not expecting to dump a bunch of money in here and make a bunch of money, but I like testing these new systems. And so my Nacho balance right now is 86,000 and your cash balance 470. So I'm just being patient. I had some go through. So some actually getting Nacho to go through. Yeah, I did just get Nacho to go through a couple minutes ago. Uh, Yep, holler. Anyone who has Casware wallet isn't connecting, you got to change your mainnet URL. And the mainnet URL right here, Camille's got that right there. That's what you have to change and do. Since I'm in the middle of minting right now, I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I don't want to screw it up. But so far, I've gotten 86,100 nacho. Each one is minted was minted separately. So it goes from 20%, then basically goes up to 90%. The mint goes through, and then where it's green right here, it'll go to 1 once that first one's minted. So you just have to have some patience, keep trying. Really, this is fun. I guess Caspa prices went down. I guess the people got disappointed, and that's kind of felt like that might happen, that people are disappointed, and then it might be a week before there's a dex, but at that point, probably all these early ones like Nacho or whatever one, you can go to Cast Tools right here. Let's see, where's Cast Tools. You can see Nacho, Elon, Trump, 2.23% of Trump, D-Work. So 38,000 transactions. So Casware's getting pushed to the limit. Casware's getting pushed to the limit. You got to be patient. KRC-20, I don't think there's anywhere, Tom, right now you can trade it. I don't think there's a DEX right now, but there's going to be one coming, and you'll be hearing about it. So right now I got 86,000. I have 86,000 Cas or what am I talking about? Nacho. I got 86,000 Nacho. These ones aren't going through. Just waiting. I know a lot of people have been stuck, but there is a little bit getting minting. So basically, it feels like you just have to kind of keep trying and get your not getting any, no joy. Yeah. So we just hold our mints. Yep. You just hold your mints in your Casware wallet. And then once those dexes come online, which I imagine in the next few days or next week, within a week, I feel like there should be. So you're just holding it, and then people playing around. I guess you could potentially maybe use some like Discord escrow. Yeah, Caspa took a big dump, but hey, it hit new all-time highs, and people get disappointed like this, and so I don't know what people are expecting, and I'm not sure that you can. These are just partially signed Caspa transactions, I believe, that make these tokens kind of like BRC-20 or runes on Bitcoin. And I think, as far as I know, is like, I don't know if you're actually can you pull off a stable coin with that kind of model. But yeah, you just got to have patience. I know a lot of people are stuck at 20%. I did get some to go through. What was it? I guess maybe I got 10 to go through or something. I got 86,000 Nacho, so I did get a few to go through. The next one I'll try Caspa. I don't think it was ready. Can you pin the URL? Let's see. So the URL, let's see. I'll try to pin that. I've never pinned a comment there, so let's see. I'll try to pin that there while this is going through. So let's see. I'm gonna try to pin that URL. So I pinned the URL. So I got the URL pinned now. So that should be pinned now. One cast is like, I don't know, it's like 8,600 or something like that. 8,600 nacho, I believe, on the mint. So yeah, mine's still stuck at 20%. I spent 30 Caspa basically. I spent almost 30 Caspa to get 86,000 nacho. It'll be a few weeks before it's fully launched out of beta. Beta is testing and it's all started today. Yeah, these are not smart contracts. It's just partially sand Caspa transactions. So I'm not sure. I know some people think like that the stable coins will basically take over on Caspa, but in smart contracts are got a new error, payment error, request limit exceeded. Can't mint anything. I'm selling my Caspa. If this starts working, things are going to swing around fast. Oh yeah, this will start working. Buy the dip. Yeah, man. I mean, for me, I figured, okay, if it went well, maybe the price went up to 22 cents. I figured if things didn't go well, and you kind of figure that maybe there's going to be what is main unit URL? It's in the pinned message on this, Todd. So if you can see the pinned message on the chat there, it's at the very top. The pinned message, it has the URL that you can change. I think it's time for Kahula and my coffee. Steve. I don't know. You got to keep a level head, man. Once they start going through, you don't want to miss out. Right now, this is stuck. We need everyone to know this is a test. Yeah, this is a test cheese. Yeah. People are finicky. I saw that it was, it's X on X, and people tend to overreact. I guess it's still going down to 17%, 17 cents. But we were just at, a week ago, we were just at 14 cents. So we're still up a lot. So here's that URL, but it's also in the pinned. Weak hands, drop an opportunity here. I definitely wouldn't sell. No, I'm buying. I mean, or I'm basically holding. Someone is Nacho. It's at 27%. MC, I did mint some. I have 86,000. I did get some to go through. And I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe canceling this one and retrying because mine started going through pretty quick. So I'm going to actually cancel this. I guess I can't even cancel it. I'm going to try another. See right here. Oh, I got 172,000 right now. So I've had more go through. So I had some go through that I didn't see. Yeah, so far I minted 80,000, but now it's up. Now I'll reopen the wallet here because it looks like I've minted some more and I haven't seen them come through yet. I'll expand the view. So here is my wallet. So actually now I had 500 Caspa, so I sent 29 Caspa, and I have 172,000 Nacho right here, 172,200. So I'm gonna go ahead and try another one. I'm just gonna go do 10. I'm gonna do 10 and then do priority fee 1 Caspa. Actually, I mean, I don't know if paying a payment failed request. So I'm gonna try. So we'll try the 0.1 Caspa. Request limit exceeded. So that's kind of a new error. So, but when I go back here, I can't even. Let's see. So yeah, I got 172,000. I started the day off with 500 even. So actually, I guess Yeah, I had more come through on that mint, so I got 172,000 right there. You're welcome. Why is Casper crashing? Because there's just it's kind of been a little bit of a struggle on the mints and stuff, but I can see right there I got 172,000 Nacho. I had some go through. All the newbies are selling their Caspa. Caspa's crashing because minting is not working. It's just a beta, so it's not that big a deal. It's going to come back, and any true believers are going to be loading up on more. And so, whoops, click the wrong thing there. So I got 172,000 Nacho. You can see right here, I guess it's 28,700 is per mint. So that's what you're getting for one Caspa, I guess. And then the ticker, so you can see that it's about 0.3% minted. So I got 172,000. Now let's go through and just try a different ticker. I wonder if Casper is, if that one's is out yet. We'll give it a shot. It hasn't been deployed. Just trying some different one to see what request limit exceeded. So I think everything's just, oops, there's where we're going. Let's just bump this up to 100. Payment request limit exceeded. So I grab some Caspa every week when I get paid. Wallet back with balance. Thanks, Hoodie. Good. Nice to see that, Todd. XRP2. Caspa's KRC-20 down. Casper's launch will be delayed. We're so sorry. This was completely out of our hands. So the Caspa's, so I guess the KRC-20 is down now. Let's go check out the let's see what Casware is showing. And go with Casper. Casper the Ghost. Caspa's KRC down. Caspa's launch will be delayed. We're so sorry for this. Complete out of our hands. Join our Discord to vote on a new date and time. So I think right now it might be good just to take a chill pill. I was lucky enough to get some transactions to go through, but I think you're just it's basically the beta. What's the slider you're adjusting below the ticker name? That is just how many mints. So like right here is I can mint one Nacho, one batch, which for one Caspa. So you're doing one mint and you can go up to 1,000 mints. So you can do 10 mints. Then I think each mint is a Caspa, and then plus you're going to play the priority transaction fee. And so I don't know. Right now, I think that it looks like that the things are down, so I'm not sure there's much left to go over now. I was able to somehow, I don't know what I did differently. I think I just got lucky, but I had 172,200 come through, and so I think it's just going to take some time. It'll bounce back above 0.82. Yeah, I read my post earlier how to fix. My payment failed. I got 2.5 million. I got 2.5 million more Nacho, more minting. You're being throttled. Shout out to the West Coast peeps who rolled out of bed early for this. I heard that you could only mint one at a time. You can do mint one, but I think it's like 28,000 Nacho per mint. Every NFT marketplace I ever used has bugs. This will change. Yep. Castplex Discord. You can go to their website. The people will be posting on X all the information you need. But use this opportunity to buy the cheap Caspa. It's obvious that they already declared it'd be beta, so it takes time. So yeah, it's open beta. They broke some stuff, and how Nacho continues being minted. Can you check the minting progress on Nacho and Castflix page? You can also go here to casttools.com, and it's showing the status of the different mints. Like PP Cast And some of these might have been deployed with like a kind of a pre-allocation. So Caspa Nachos 0.34%, Doge 10%, Trump 2.2%. So there's been 35, but right now I think I stayed up all night after work. Oh, sorry if we weren't able to get any. Everyone needs a chill. We did what was intended. The dumb money is exiting, and I heard that Tangent and Caspian is not working. Is that true? Yeah, wallet is not connecting anymore. So left bro, I gave you the solution how to fix the limit. The limit exceeded. Shai also published the white paper of Nacho. Check it out. So, well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I think that's all I got today. I think close Chrome completely and restart. So close Chrome and completely. So I'm going to just try that first before I sign off. Let's see. I'm going to close Chrome. Now I'm going to reopen Chrome. Okay, I'm going to reopen Chrome. Price is bouncing back, guys. You just got to have some patience. I'm reopening the million miner minting, got up to 2.8 million Nacho. So here we are. I'm back into Chrome. I just restarted it. I'm gonna relaunch Casware. Expand view. Now it's showing that I have 200,000 Nacho. It's showing that I have 200,000 Nacho. Now let's see about the Caspa mainnet. I'm going here. Whoops. The mainnet. Change that URL unless there's a new URL. Is there a new URL there? Lost connection, EU1 down. So I think right now I'm just going to take a break and come back in a couple hours and see if anything's been sorted out. And it looks like I got 200,000 Caspa. So some mints went through. 200,009 Nacho. So some of my mints went through, and it looks like things are just kind of down right now. But I appreciate everyone tuning in. The bugs will get worked out. And so thanks, Steve. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate everyone that tuned into the live stream. And, some of us got our mints to go through, and I think this got overwhelmed. It's in beta. Everything will be all right. We got new all-time highs, and overall, I think it's a W. And some people got them, some people didn't. But the kinks will get worked out, and then it'll be a whole different ball game. So just be patient. Come back later today or maybe tomorrow, and then there'll be DEXs coming online, and we won't even be worried about how all this was a disaster. And this is what happens when you have a new NFT marketplace, new protocols going, and it's still beta. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.